Good morning. Welcome to our continuing tour of the Sanibel Beach mile markers. In this episode, we will cover mile markers 3 to 3.5. The resorts between these markers sit alongside Middle Gulf Drive and Old Middle Gulf Drive, and then we will end the tour at a magnificent park. Chelsea Place is home to mile marker 3. This small complex has 3 4-bedroom condos, a heated pool, and a putting green. Next in line is Sandollar. This is a 36-unit resort with either 2-bedroom 2-bath or 3-bedroom 2-bath configurations. There is a large pool, tennis courts, and grills. The next 3 resorts sit along Old Middle Gulf Drive. First up is Clamshell. This property consists of 6 condos with a heated community pool. Following along is Signal Inn. This resort has 19 fully furnished condos with a heated pool and jacuzzi spa. Last in line on Old Middle Gulf Drive is Sandpiper Beach Condominiums. There are 27 condos with a heated pool, a tennis court, and shuffleboard. And here is the perfect place to end. Gulfside City Park, home to mile marker 3.5 and our halfway point in the mile marker series. There is a paid parking lot, picnic tables, restrooms, bike racks, and barbecue grills. We did a whole video on the fascinating story behind this park. Check it out on our YouTube channel. It's a perfect spot to take a break and soak in the beauty of Sanibel. My name is Nick Adams. Come and join me on the next one.